Guys, welcome back to Joint here. Today, I got a Christmas present. I opened it. There's another present, and then another present, and then I found this smartwatch that my dad bought, and then my dad hid. Maybe my dad gave it to Santa. So it is a waterproof smartwatch. It says 4G LTE Kids Smartwatch. Look in the side. Location, view chat. Video dial call, video call, love reward, camera, alarm, I have no clue what that means. And kids smartwatch, guard the girth of kids every moment. You can just pause the video and read that if you want. I don't want to read that. Rahas. And then CCC. CE recyclable. Okay, that's pretty much around the box, and it says over here, no lost children on Earth. Okay, let's unbox it. Ooh, what was that? Okay, though we got the watch itself. Ooh, the screen protector. That looks pretty bubbly. I think the cable should be under here. Okay, I got the cable. But let's see if it's pre-charged. What is this? I don't know. This. It's hard to grab, but yeah. Wait. Oh yeah, this has a SIM port. Look, guys. I'm sorry, I have to cover the camera, but that's a SIM card port. Let me just see what happens when I open it. I'm sorry I have to drop the camera, but yeah. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'll just put the phone like this for a minute. Okay, guys? Please don't be mad. Oh my gosh. Oh, look. Look, guys, this is the SIM thingy. Now time to put it back in. Okay, let's see if it comes. Let's just peel the sticker first. Ooh, it's already halfway off. Sticker. There. Let's see if it comes pre-charged. 3, 2, 1. Booting. Come on, boot up. Hello. Hello. Okay. Ooh, that's actually... Ooh, that looks nice. That's actually a fast boot up. What? Okay. The time says 9:13. Ooh, camera. Let's take a photo. Yeah. Okay, it makes a shutter noise, but I took a photo with my mom too. Ooh, sending error. That's a photo I took. That's a photo with me with my mom. Okay, home button. Or you can just do this. Ooh, gallery, chat. No SIM, no network. Okay, dial, gallery, volume. I don't think I need any of this. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Calculator? Oh, keeps happening. Oh yeah. Math game. Let's go. 0 plus 2 equals 2. That is correct. 2 plus 3 equals 6. Incorrect. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Correct. 1 plus 3 equals 10. No. 5 minus 1 equals 6. No. 3 minus 1 equals 6. No. 8 minus 5 equals 3. I think. What? Okay, I lost, guys. So let's go again. So, incorrect. What? Okay. 1 minus 1 equals 2. Incorrect. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Oh, okay. Let's continue the other ones, the other stuff here. Ooh, alarm. No alarm, no alarm, no alarm. Stopwatch. Pretty good. And that's for this review. Oh, yeah, there's a few things I hadn't tested yet. The phone. Oh, only works with SIM card. Video call, no SIM card. Contacts, no SIM card. That's pretty awesome. There's a chat app. Oh yeah, I need the QR code to connect to my dad's things. Yeah. Well, that's all the review here. Chat does not work. Remember, these do not work without a SIM card. See? So bye-bye and subscribe and like. Hope you like the review.